you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing Ogoro. Guys, how are you guys doing? All my old subscriber guys, I love you. Thumbs up to you guys as usual, and to my new subscribers, big thumbs up. So guys, today I said I must vlog. The reason for that is it's been quite some time. It's quite noisy in my area. It's very noisy. To shoot is a big problem. uh, I have to wait. So, but this morning, the devil is a liar. I must shoot this morning. So, guys, just don't pay attention to the noise. So, let's go down to the topic of today. Today, we are going to be looking at the issue of domestic abuse on our domestic staff. Yes, our domestic staff. They are those people that you employ to work for you around your house, either to help you wash, mop, clean, basically do household chores. Whether it's your gate man, some call them house girl, house boy, whatever you call them, but they are your domestic staff. See guys, in our area right now, it is hot like fire. Yes, I know it is not funny because something happened last week. Yes, today is Monday. Yes, something happened last week in my former area. I think from here to that place is just it's not up to 5 minutes drive. Yes. So there's a lady around that place. See, I don't want to be showing people's picture on this channel at all. Showing people, I don't want to be doing that. So this lady, there's a young boy that is staying with her for some time now. Normally, she will normally give him things to go and hawk, you know. So, but that last week, this young boy, he went to hawk as usual, and he lost about 2,000 something, 25 or thereabout. And when he came back home, the auntie, she was very angry. I don't know how she ended up killing the child. So she was beating the child, and the child fell down and fainted. So they rushed the boy to the hospital. As I'm talking to you, the boy is dead. The lady, she's in the police station with her husband. See, I always say you see, the way we treat other people's children, please, let's be careful. Our domestic staff, that is why I am talking about this topic right now, and that is why I said the devil is a liar. I must block this money, whether the devil like it or not. See, you have people living with you. It's either you employ them or they are related to you by blood, I don't know, and they are staying with you. Please mind the way you handle these people. I'm telling you the truth. Okay, now that the boy is dead, is it 2,500 we are talking about now? We are no longer talking about 2,500. The problem is people just take out their anger, their frustration on their staff or the people staying with them around the house for one mistake or the other. See, people are crazy in this country, and there are so many people that are crazy and they don't know that they are crazy. See, guys, if you are a man, if you are a woman, and you have a domestic staff, please treat them well. There are some maids that you have in your home, you don't feed them well. Some of them are treated like dogs, like rags. I don't understand. See, those people are very important to your life, even more than your doctors, your engineer, your doctors, whatever it is. They are more important. The reason for that is they are the one that take care after your kids, take care of your kids, and they also take care of your house, your surroundings, your food, whatever you do. In fact, let's not go into the gate man issue. You see that your gate man that you think that that your gate man is nothing, after all it's just there opening gate for you. See, do you know that your gate man can go and plan with kidnappers outside to kidnap you? Even your driver that is driving you, in fact that one is even worse. That one is very easy for them to plan with kidnappers to kidnap you and tell them where they are going to take, where they are going. It's very easy. And if you abuse them, emotionally, maybe they are not in their normal frame of mind, they are not okay, they may go and put you into another thing, like accident and all that. I always tell women, please, if you have somebody around, see, if my husband have a driver, I will treat the driver like a king. Oh, the reason for that is, at that particular time my husband's life is in his hand. Yes. So if you are a woman, please, I am begging our women, I am begging our mothers out there, please treat your domestic help, your domestic staff, the way you treat your doctors, the way you treat your lawyers. See, there have been issues of domestic help, abusing children here and there. I always advise, if you have a domestic help, please know them very well. Stop leaving your children around for them to take care of. And another problem is, some people, you end up beating them, abusing them at home, and then you now leave your children for them. Hey, God, you people have mind. Some women have mind. After beating somebody, you will leave your children. I can't try it. I have kids. I can't imagine it. Oh, I cannot try it. See, I've stayed with people. I know how people behave, and I know how people relate with other people that are not related to them. I'm not saying everyone out there treat their domestic staff badly. No, there are some people out there, they are wonderful. Kudos to you guys. They take care of their domestic staff the way they take care of their children. The worst part is that some people go around, bring their relations to stay with them, and they use them like crap. They don't allow them to go to school, they don't care for them. Emotionally, the child is destabilized. Physically, the child is abused. Some are even abused sexually in the house by the husband of the woman, and they cannot speak about it, they cannot say anything about it. Yes, when I was staying with my auntie, I told you guys one of my video, I think sexual abuse children, yes, sexual abuse or children sexual abuse. I talked about it, how one of my auntie husband opened his manhood for me to see. I was still very young, you understand. He wanted to defy me. I couldn't say it to my auntie, but now I'm talking about it because I'm old enough to, I know that what he was doing at that particular time is wrong. Some people are blinded by the love they have for their husband, their spouse, so they don't see anything wrong. You cannot even go close to them because these kids, they are scared. They cannot even tell you, auntie, look at what daddy did to me and all that, because you will never pay attention. You feel that everything is fine. Please, if you are a woman, please, you are a mother. You are a mother to these kids. You are a mother, for God's sake. Please pay attention to your surroundings. Pay attention to the mates you have at home. Pay attention to your staff. Please, there are some staff, because of the way you treat them. See, the way you treat these people determine how they are going to treat you. I've heard of some domestic staff spitting into the food before giving it to their employer. Please, please, please take care of them like a human being. Love them. Show them that they are good people in this world. Show them that their work is not less, does not make them less of a human being. Please, they are really helping us. I don't understand. These people are helping you. They help you clean. They help you wash. See, it's not like those days that our children, you can leave them with your neighbors. Everybody is just living like one large family. Times have changed. Our house is right now is tiles everywhere. I call it brokeable plates everywhere. You have to shine and clean. If not, people will come in and say you are dirty. So some people go out there and get a maid because they are working at the same time, and the kids are there, the house work is there. So when you get somebody to help you do these household chores, please treat them with respect. After all, they're working for you, and you paying them. There's no work that is too small. There's no job that is too low. Please don't treat them bad. See, the issue of, I'm going to say this. If you have a family member staying with you and you don't like the way the child is behaving, please quietly, kindly package that child, take him or her back to where you brought him from. Take the child back to his parents. It's as simple as that. Auntie, please, uncle, please, please, I cannot. In fact, you don't even have to be pleased about it. Just take the child back. The same thing if you employ somebody and the person is giving you headache, instead of you to go and commit murder or be abusing the person emotionally, physically, please quietly take that child. Take just sack him or her. After all, it's your money. Get somebody else that can do your job for you. It's not by force. They did not say that you must employ somebody and that person must work for you for the rest of your life, please. And when you have a domestic staff at home, at times try to know their background, try to know what they do. Do you understand? And some of us, I just want to quickly say this, please don't overuse them. You employ somebody, most is this part of the world that this kind of thing always happen. You employ somebody to work for you from morning till 6 o'clock. At times you see this help, they will still be there 8, 9, they are still there, and you don't pay them extra for their extra time. You use them because they don't have a voice, they cannot speak for themselves, because there's no job, there's no work in this country, lack of education, everybody's struggling here and there, and you take advantage of them because you feel like you can. At times some of us don't even know that what we are doing is wrong. We just feel like, after all, it's my employee. The same thing with the driver. You employ a driver to drive you around. You say from resume by 7 and close by 6 or by 7 or by 8, I don't know, and then you end up using the driver till 10, 11, and the next month you want the driver to still come to work. We don't want them to miss, we don't want them to be late, but we always use them. We end up spending their time, their energy for what? For how much? And then you carry somebody else's child to your house and you go and beat that child with anger and the child is dead. Most of the time we don't hear of our maid that people kill them in their houses and all that, but we hear of how they kidnap madam, how they kidnap, please, because nobody is speaking for these people. Please, let's treat them like human beings. Stop treating them like dogs, like animals in your homes. I just that woman now, she's no longer talking about 2,500 as we are talking right now. She's in the police cell, and she's no peace. Her children is somewhere else. Her shop, the youth in that area, they brought out everything in her shop, scatter everything, burn everything. See, things are really going on in this country. Please, there are angry people in this country. Please, if you are a man and if you are a woman, please talk to your spouse. If you have anyone living with you, if you are not comfortable with them, let them go. Please don't end up committing murder. Please don't abuse anyone, whether physically, emotionally, in any way. Don't abuse anyone. It is wrong. I don't think it is right. It is wrong in the sight of God. It is wrong in the sight of man. I don't think any one of us want to be put in that position. Please, if you have your domestic help and they've stayed with you for long and you see that nothing is happening, if you can help these people, you are helping the world. So guys, I hope that this morning we have talked, and I hope that as you are watching this channel, you are subscribing. Please subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends, your well-wisher, and your loved ones. Guys, I love you. You know how we do it for this channel. Thumbs up as usual. So guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.